In this video, I will show you how to delete your Ecwid store. So in order to do this, go and open up Ecwid. Then what you want to do is here go to your profile, then click billing and plans. And if you're currently using one of the paid plans, then you just want to go and switch over to the free plan first, because that is necessary. So if you're using Venture, Business or Unlimited, go and switch back to the free plan. You have a button right here. Then after doing that, go into the app section and here click my apps and just go and stop all the app billings. So I have this Pocket app here, just click uninstall on all of your apps so that that is also stopped. So then after you do that, what you can go and do first is go to your profile. What you can go and do first is click settings here, then go to general. Then when you scroll to the bottom here, you can choose to close your storefront for maintenance. So if you click on that, then people will not be able to visit your store anymore. But if you want to fully delete it, then what you will need to do is go to your profile here, then click profile. Then scroll to the bottom and here close your account. So you will need to create a new Ecwid account, which you can do for free, and just close this one. So click yes in order to actually close it, and then along with your account, your store will be deleted. So now you know how to delete your Ecwid store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next